kasaysayan ng stand-up ay may ugat mo talaga sa nationalist history ng University of the Philippines. Ang kabataan sa loob ng universidad na itinayo ng mga Amerikano ay talagang nagsama-sama noon at syempre ipinakita na isang parte tayo, isang bahagi tayo ng lipunan na kayang baguhin ang kasaysayan nito. Noong 1964 na itayo ang Kabataang Makabayan na nagbigay daan para sa pag-radicalize ng ating University Student Council. Noong 1970s, ang ating University Student Council, patterned in the old mold of student councils in the US, ay naging student union. Mas konsolidado, mas malaki, mas powerful na itsura ng student council. Late 1970s, nabuo ang Sandigan ng Mag-aaral para sa Sambayanan. Ito ang isang political party in its purest sense na tumakbo sa plataforma na una, kailangan magkaroon ng mga student council sa loob ng University of the Philippines. Ito ay dahil noong 1972, iwinaksi ni Marcos ang lahat ng mga student formation sa loob ng university, maliban sa fraternities at sororities. Yung 1996, ang primarya na debate nila noon ay kung nabago na ba ang itsura, nabago na ba ang kalakaran sa loob ng university, iba na ba ang estudyante. Ang paninindigan ng mas militanteng paksyon ay hindi. Ang estudyante pa rin ang mananatiling mapanlikha, masigasig, at militanteng bahagi ng Universidad ng Pilipinas. Ang pag-alis ng 12 fraternities, sororities at organizations sa SAMASA at pagtatayo ng SAMASA TMMA, tunay makabayan militanteng alyansa, ay sa diwa ng pagpapatuloy ng revolusyon ni Andres Bonifacio noong 1896. Yon ang diwa ng pagbabago ng SAMASA TMMA patungo sa Student Alliance for the Advancement of Democratic Rights in UP o STAND-UP, bandang 1997. Stand-up's guiding principle is that education is a right, and as such, we have successfully and continuously asserted that this is a duty that must be provided, must be serviced by the state. And in that light, stand-up also believes that the state must ensure the quality of education. That's why stand-up believes and asserts and pushes for a national scientific class-oriented education that can significantly contribute to national industrialization and development. When you believe that education is a right, you cannot in any way agree to a form of subsidization by rich students of poor students, or to a system where some students would have to work for their keep inside the university. Because precisely, any student who was qualified into the University of the Philippines must and should be able to study and finish their courses. Kapag naniniwala ka ng edukasyon ay karapatan, gusto mong holistic ang development ng mga estudyante mo. Kung kaya, pati ang kanilang mga batayang karapatan na magpahayag, magsalita, magpaliwanag, mag-i-express ang kanilang mga sarili, at higit sa lahat, makapag-organisa, ay kailangan pangalagaan din ng UP. What has set stand-up apart over its several decades inside the university has been its consistency, not only to the issues, but to its principles. Has been discipline, not only personal, but organizational. Most importantly, passion, genuine passion. As what Che Guevara said, every revolutionary has always been guided by a great feeling of love.